of the day that we've been tracking since the morning has been the surge that we are seeing in all of these sugar names. And Rhea is here to tell us why are these sugar stocks having a very sweet day today, Rhea?
Well, yes, the reason that all of these sugar stocks are surging in trade today is that there has been a very significant relief for the sugar industry as a whole. India has removed all curbs on ethanol production from sugarcane juice and syrup and from B-heavy and C-heavy molasses for sugar mills and distilleries in the sugar season 2025 to 26. And the government is going to periodically review the diversion of sugar for ethanol production to maintain the availability of sugar for domestic consumption. Now, remember, these restrictions were earlier imposed in December of 2023 due to the rising sugar prices, and now sugar mills will be able to use the inventory that is lying with them of B-heavy molasses. So that is a big positive for all of these companies. This will also help achieve the target of boosting the proportion of the fuel in gasoline blends to 20%, the target that has been set by the government. And also in a separate government notification, distilleries are now allowed to purchase up to 2.3 million metric tons of rice from the FCI for ethanol production, and this is going to help enhance ethanol production from dual feed distilleries.
All right, so that's a big news for the sugar industry overall. But let's talk about the stock performance now, Rhea. How have they performed? What are the valuations looking like across the board?
Well, yes, just before we come to the stock performance, let's also take a look at the impact on some of these key companies in terms of the contribution from ethanol to the overall revenue contribution. It stands at about 30 to 37% for these key companies. And for profit contribution, it stands at about 43% for Triveni Engineering and for Dalmia Bharat Sugar on the EBIT level. For Balrampur Chini, it is the highest at 63%. Now, coming to the valuations and the stock performance, for some of these key companies, most of them, Balram Chini, Triveni Engineering and EID Parry currently trade above their 3-year average Ps, and Dalmia Bharat Sugar is slightly below its 3-year average. The rest are trading around 17 to 22 times PE. And lastly, in terms of the stock performance, most of these stocks are down anywhere between 3 to 45% over the last 1 year, and EID Parry has been the outperformer, up around 37% over the last 1 year.
Still trading above their 3-year averages despite the decline from their recent highs. Rhea, thank you for that. Now, earlier we did speak to